Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Steam, fix internal error 0x06 system error. Open File Explorer, this PC. C drive. Click Users folder. Open Public folder. Create new folder named as Documents. Open Documents folder. Create new folder named as Steam. Open Steam. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.